Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be explaining about the electrode used in electric arc welding. So electrodes are used in welding, especially in electric arc welding process. So what is welding? Welding is a permanent metal joining process where we join two similar or dissimilar metals by applying heat or without heat, by applying pressure or without pressure, by the help of filler metal or without filler metal. So this filler metal sometimes called as electrode. So what is electrode? So electrode is a piece of metal or a rod of metal which helps to create the spark on the welding joint or welding bead. By the help of filler metal we can able to do the welding joint. Sometimes it can be consumable or can be non-consumable. When the electrode is consumable, it melts the parent metal or base metal and it also melts itself and mixes with the parent metals. And when the electrode is non-consumable, it only generates sparks. If needed, the filler metal is added separately. So in arc welding, an electrode is a conductor that carries current from the welding machine to the workpiece, creating an electric arc. So it creates electric arc that melts the base metal, and sometimes the electrode itself, when the electrode is consumable, it melts itself to form the weld joint. So electrodes can be consumable. When it is consumable, it melts and become the part of the weld, and when it is non-consumable, it only provides the arc. If needed, the filler metal added separately. So here we can see that this is the electrode and it is flux coated electrode. What is flux coating? We will know it later in this video. So let the electrode is connected to the positive pole of the welding machine, and this is base metal. Let this is connected to the negative pole of the welding machine. So when the power is connected to the welding machine and we are striking the electrode on the base metal, then the spark created. When the spark is created, the base metal will start melts, and when the base metal starts melts, if the electrode is consumable, then the electrode also will be melted and will be mixes with the base metal. So this is called electrode. And what is flux? So here we can see that the electrode is coated with flux. So flux is nothing but creates slag on the welding bead. So this is slag and this is metal. The slag separates the welding zone from the atmosphere, the atmospheric oxygen, nitrogen and the H2O, etc. And it helps the welding bead to cool down slowly. So when the welding bead or welding zone is cooling down slowly, then distortion will be minimal and the cracks will be also minimal. So it is helping the welding zone to be defect free. And also when the slag is burning on melting of the electrode, the gases are produced. The gases are produced by the burning of the flux. So the gas also separates the welding zone and the arc from the atmosphere. So these are the function of a flux coated electrode. If the electrode is bare electrode, that is means no coating is done on the electrode. So we have to provide flux separately on the welding zone. Generally when we are using bare electrode, that is non-coated electrode, the flux is as the gases. So electrodes are two types, consumable type and the non-consumable type. The consumable type electrodes are which electrodes? Which melts itself during the welding process and mixes with the parent metal. So it not only generates the spark or arc, it also melts with the base metal and mixes with the welding zone and strengthen the welding bead. And second one is non-consumable. The non-consumable electrodes only create the spark or the arc it doesn't melt itself. So what is consumable electrode? The melt and deposit filler metal into the joint, like mild steel electrodes. So it is used in process like SMAW, that is shielded metal arc welding, MIG welding, or flux-coated arc welding. This is consumable electrode. So what is the melting point of consumable electrode? This is the electrode, and we want to weld X metal with the X metal. The melting point of the X metal, suppose 1000 degree Celsius. So what will be the melting point of this electrode, this consumable electrode? The melting point of the consumable electrode must be 800 to 900 degrees Celsius. It must be lower than the melting point of the base metals. So what will be the material of the consumable electrode? It will be the alloy of X metal with something else. That will be the perfect material for consumable electrode. So this is the consumable electrode. Another type is non-consumable electrode. So non-consumable electrode, they don't melt. Filler rod is added separately if needed. Used in like process TIG welding, tungsten inert gas welding. For TIG welding, the non-consumable electrode is tungsten. It has high melting point like 3400 degrees Celsius. It doesn't melt itself. Remind it. Another types of is bare electrode and the coated electrode. So what is bare electrode? Bare electrode is only a rod type of electrode. Don't has any kind of flux coating or any kind of coating. So this is bare electrode. Bare electrode, it is only rod type of electrode. Usually it is made of mild steel, alloy steel, cast iron, stainless steel, etc. Bare electrode, something is consumable and sometimes it is non-consumable. When it is consumable, it acts as filler material, and when it is non-consumable, it acts as only electrode, only creates spark. Diameter ranges from 1.5 mm to 8 mm. Another type is coated electrode. So what is coated electrode? This is the electrode. It has rod inside and flux coating on the outside. The wire is covered with the flux coating. So what is the function of the flux? So flux provides shielding gas. Shielding gas protects molten metal from oxygen, nitrogen, H2O, etc. And also the flux forms slag. The slag protects weld pool as it cools. Also stabilizes the arc and adds alloying element to the welding zone. So these are the types of electrodes. Mainly the two types of electrodes is the consumable electrode and non-consumable electrode. If we want to see from the point of view coating, then there is also two types of electrodes. That is bare electrode and coated electrode. So in this video I have discussed about the types of electrode and what is electrode. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.